Hi children, today we are going to do something very interesting, very important. What is this? Read this for me. Vowels. What are vowels? We're going to look at. We have all the letters from all the alphabet. We're going to pick the vowels. Okay? So let's look at what's the meaning of vowels. Where are the vowels? What are vowels? Let's see. Okay? Now, look at all the alphabet, every single alphabet here. And from these, we are going to pick up a vowel. How many vowels are there? 5. Which is first one? A. What's the sound of A? A. So that comes down here. A. Next. Next vowel? E. So we bring it here. What is the sound? A. Very good. Next. I. Inky. E. Curd. Next. O. When it's dark, you put the light on. O. So we bring O here. And finally, we have U. O. Goes the umbrella. So we have the 5 vowels here. A, E, O, 5. These are our 5 vowels. Okay? These are our 5 vowels. Now to remember the vowels, you can sing a song. Yes? Now, listen. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the short vowels that you use. Take it again. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the short vowels that we use. Then, A. A vowel is in every word. A vowel is in every word. A vowel is in every word that we read or write. Okay, in every word you'll find. Take it again. A vowel is in every word. Every word, every word, a vowel is in every word that we read or write. Yes, so you will find vowels in every word that you read or write. Yes, now will you forget the 5 words? 5 vowels that we have? A, E, I, O, U. Good. Now that you learned the vowel song, now that you learned it, we will take every vowel separately. Let's look at A now. Yes, what's the sound of A? A. Here is our first vowel. What is that? A. What's the sound of A? A. Now we have pictures given here. Can you recognize A for? Good, apple. Can you spell apple? A sound A. Apple. What is sound of A? A. A. Apple. Spell apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A. Apple. Very good. What is this? Ant. A. Ant. Spell ant. A-N-T. Ant. Good. What is this? A. Arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. A. Apple. A. And. A. Arrow. A for apple. A for and. A for arrow. What's the sound of A? A. Now, you know the song already. Shall we sing for this first vowel A, the song? The sound A. Okay. Put your hands out. Imagine the ants are crawling on your arm. One, two. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. Good. You'll never forget the first vowel A. Good. Let's take the next one. To the next vowel E. Very good. Here you have E. And what's the sound of E? A. Good. E for elephant. Spell elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E for elephant. Good. E for egg. E-G-G. Egg. Good. E for engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. Sound of E. A. E for elephant. E for egg. E for engine. A. A. Elephant. A. Egg. A. Engine. Now you remember the song. To remember the song, you must remember the song. And the second vowel, E, we have a lovely song. What is that? Eggs in the pan. Very good. Let's suppose there's a pan, lots of eggs in the pan. Okay, ready. Now let's imagine the pan. Put all the eggs here. Good. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this. Eh. Good. So you remember the song for the vowel E. Good. After E, which is the next vowel? I. Very good. This is the third vowel. What is this? I. I for ink pot. What is ink pot? Full of ink. Mommy can dip the pen and write. I for ink pot. Spell ink pot. I-N-K-P-O-T. Ink pot. I for insect. Spell insect. I-N-S-E-C-T. Insect. I for igloo. What is igloo? Home of an Eskimo. In the eyes. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. What's the sound of I? E. Ink pot. E. Insect. E. Igloo. Now, to remember the sound as I-S-E, we need to sing a song. Yes? Now, remember the table, a tablecloth, and mouse. His name is Inky, your pet. Yes? Now, Inky the mouse is my pet. He spilled the ink and got wet. Ink is spread all over the desk. E, 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 E. Ink is wet. Take it again. The sound of I is E. Inky the mouse. Okay? 1, 2. Inky the mouse is my pet. He spilled the ink and got wet. Ink is spread all over the desk. E, 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 E. Inky is wet. Yes, I'm sure you'll never forget the third vowel. Okay, let's go on to the next vowel. Now, we've done the third vowel, which is the fourth vowel. Oh, very good. O, letter O. O is our fourth vowel. O. O for orange. You like to eat juicy orange? Yes, O for orange. How do you spell orange? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O for owl. O-W-L, owl. O for onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. O for orange. O for owl, O for onion. What's the sound of O? O. O, orange. O, owl. O, onion. Alright? Shall we take the song to remember the fourth vowel O? Good. When it's dark, what happens? You have to put the lights on. The room will be dark. Yes? 1, 2. Now it's dark. The lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed and lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Did you get it? Our fourth vowel, O. The sound is O. Take it again. Now it's dark. The lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed. The lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Will you forget the fourth vowel? No. And what is the last vowel? And the fifth vowel? U. Very good. U. U for umbrella. Good. Spell umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-A. Umbrella. U for umbrella. U for urn. Urn is an old type of nice huge jar. U-R-N. Urn. And the last one. U for upstairs. Upstairs. U-P-S-T-A-I-R-S. Upstairs. How do you open the umbrella? So, umbrella, on, up. Yes? Good. Now, let's remember the sound of U as hold the umbrellas, children. Let's sing the song. Up go umbrella, up go umbrella, up go umbrella. When it starts to rain. Take it again. Take the umbrella. We're going to open it. Up go umbrella. Up go umbrella. Up go umbrella. When it starts to rain.